M0FXB, welcome to my channel. Just a quick one here on the ATS25X. I've had this for a while and it always works fine. I've noticed it's got a very slight whine in the background, which was louder earlier, but at the moment it's quiet. It's a lot better. So it still works fine, and it's actually reduced a lot now. But it will come back and it will be more pronounced. I do like this device. I mean, it gets broadcast radio, gets all the ham bands and a lot of other frequencies. The conditions seem poor at the moment. There's your digi mode, look. You always know when there's activity if you can hear the digi modes. You go ham band here, look. 20 meters there. No, that's the wrong one. Where is it? I'm blind. But you can hear the whine. Still completely usable. No, doesn't matter which antenna. So someone let me know if they know what it is. Bye for now, 7-3.